Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create avatar on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. No accessory adjustment, but I did use custom makeup. These are, well, let me just show you the color I used for the skin. It's 528795. For the face, I didn't use any brows. I used the mask eyes in this color, FFF1E. Go back to the feminine, and then for the lips I chose this one here and I colored it this color, B5EFFF. For the contour I just used this one in CBEAFF. Then for the nose I use these two here, colored this one that, and then the second one this pinkish color for that avatar nose. Then for the face I did use this, and I also used this one and then this eyeshadow in these colors. For the hair I used this hair right here. It's this one. I didn't change the color of the hair, and I did use beads for that. Let me just change the colors like this. For the fit, I used this for like the top. And this, actually don't remember what color I used. I'm just going to color it this color, I guess. Maybe this. Okay. And then I did also use this in like the body color for everything. For the skirt, I used this in like a pale brownish going to like a dark brown color. And then for the sides, I'm just going to color it this pale color as well. I did also use this for the hair. I used like a little bit of bangs. I did forget that. Also, we need the avatar ears, of course. I used these. Okay, and then I also used a little bit of this just to add like the skin texture. I just colored it darker than the skin color by a bit like that. And then for the butterflies, I just colored it like blue, like the same as the skin color. Oh, and we forgot the tail. Get the kitty tail and color it the same as the rest of your body. Then we just need this in codes. I'll just do like a low, turn off the axe. Just going to color it like this brown color and green. And that is how you can create avatar on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.